This is Ben the Storyteller. And today, let me tell you a story that matters. A story about the unseen potential of a continent that is finally ready to lead and be heard on the global stage. Every future you admire today, every respected leader, every successful business, every powerful movement started as a small story that very few people believed in. It begins with a spark of conviction in the heart of a dreamer. Across Africa, millions carry ideas, skills, and dreams. Farmers, innovators, business owners, creatives. Most of them are not lacking talent, they are brimming with it. They are the heartbeat of our rising economy. What they lack is visibility. When a story is not told, people do not understand it. And when people do not understand something, they do not trust it. In the world of business, visibility is the bridge to trust and opportunity. Storytelling is not noise, it is clarity. It is how ideas move from one mind to another, transforming a solitary thought into a collective movement. It is the language of both global progress and local impact. Take the farmer in northern Ghana, harvesting the finest puna yams. He knows the soil, the seasons, and the labor. Without a story, it is just a crop. With a story, it is a legacy of Ghanaian excellence and nutritional heritage. This resilience is what defines us. These farmers are not just growers. They are entrepreneurs and custodians of our land. Their stories deserve to be told with the same dignity and pride they bring to their work every day. In our markets, we see the pulse of the nation, golden maize and hardy beans, the lifeblood of our communities. These are not just commodities. They are stories of food security and generations of knowledge waiting to be shared. How do we scale these traditions into global businesses? How do we take the produce of tamale and place it on the world stage? It starts with the narrative. We must educate the world on the value we build right here. Bridging the gap to global trade requires more than just logistics. It requires a story that resonates. When we tell our story right, we don't just find buyers, we find partners who believe in the quality of African products. Innovation is happening every day. We see digital tools helping farmers track prices and logistics startups moving goods faster than ever. These are the stories of a modern Africa solving its own problems with brilliance. Trust is the currency of the global economy, and trust is built through the stories we tell. Stories of our standards, our integrity, and the hands that grow our food. When they see the care, they believe in the product. This page exists for a single purpose: to tell stories that educate, inspire, and create real growth. We are here to talk about innovation, about business, and the real opportunities beneath our feet. Join us in this mission. We want to show the world that Africa is a place of performance, not just potential. Every project, every farm, and every startup is a chapter in our book of success that we are writing together for the world to see. To every dreamer, every innovator, and every farmer, your story matters. It is the fuel for our collective future. Let us help you tell it, so the world can finally see the excellence you bring. Every story told here is a brick in the foundation of a better future. This is Ben the Storyteller. Thank you for listening. Let's build the future together.